Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the podcast. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of social media habits. I mean, think about it. How often do you find yourself scrolling through your feeds at 2 a.m.? Honestly, it's like a modern-day rabbit hole, right?
Yeah, totally. Like, I swear I lose track of time just watching those silly cat videos. Laughs.
Absolutely. And you know, it's wild how I check my social media as soon as I wake up. It's like, good morning, world. Here's my digital morning coffee. It becomes such a part of our routine, almost like brushing our teeth.
Wow, that's a strong analogy. I didn't think of it that way. It's so true that it can feel like a ritual. But isn't that kind of unhealthy?
Oh, for sure. That's why I've been trying to limit my social media time, you know? It's a battle, though, balancing connection with the constant noise. Do you ever feel that information overload?
Yeah. Sometimes it's like, whoa, I can't handle all this news and drama. So many posts in one scroll. How do you even manage that?
Right? It's like drinking from a fire hose. I find myself losing focus, so I've set daily time limits on my apps, like a social media curfew, you know?
Ooh, that's smart. So you really enforce that? What happens if you hit that limit?
Sometimes it feels like I'm a kid sneaking cookies. Like, just 5 more minutes, please. But then I remember how overwhelmed I get, and usually, I stick to it.
Haha, I love that. Do you have a favorite platform where you feel less pressure?
Instagram is definitely my go-to for sharing moments and connecting with friends. I try to follow accounts that inspire me rather than make me feel less than.
So you've curated your feed. That's cool. Have you ever unfollowed someone just because they made you feel bad?
Absolutely. I mean, there are times you need to detox from negativity. Unfollowing those accounts is like spring cleaning for your mental space.
Wow, I never thought of it that way. It's like clearing out junk from your digital life. So intense. Have you ever done a full-on social media detox?
Yes, the first few days were rough, like a caffeine withdrawal. But then, it felt like I was breathing fresh air again. It's liberating to unplug for a bit.
That sounds refreshing. But, I wonder if I could last that long. What about your emotions? Do you think social media impacts them?
Definitely. It can be a double-edged sword. The highs of connection can sometimes be tainted by the lows of comparison. What about you? Do you ever find yourself comparing?
Ugh, yes. Especially when I see those perfect vacation photos. It's like, why can't my life look that fun? But then again, I know it's all curated, right?
Exactly. It's like those highlight reels, we're not always seeing the bloopers. So you mentioned managing pressure. How do you keep a healthy balance?
I think setting times to scroll helps, plus taking breaks. Sometimes I just step away for a walk, just to clear my mind. It's like a reset button.
That's a great strategy. Getting outdoors is like hitting the refresh on your brain. It can help you reconnect with yourself outside of screens.
Right. Nature and oxygen, what a combo. So do you have any other tips for navigating social media wisely?
Journaling about your experiences online can be super helpful too. Just jotting down what you see, how it makes you feel, like keeping an event diary for your digital life.
Oh my gosh, that sounds like a game changer. I can see myself writing, "Today I spent 3 hours on TikTok and felt like laughing."
Exactly. It's a great way to stay aware of your habits and even improve your language skills. Speaking of which, what platforms are you using the most right now?
I'm kind of addicted to TikTok. The creativity there is insane, but I'm also trying to grow my Instagram. Do you think it's worth it?
For sure. If it brings you joy and creativity without feeling pressured, it's a win-win. Just remember to enjoy the journey, not just the likes.
Haha, yes. Gotta keep it fun. So, what's one cool habit you'd recommend for social media users?
I'd say take time for self-reflection. Not only does it ground you, but it helps you establish your online identity.
Wow, I'm keeping that one for sure. Thanks for this enlightening chat.
And thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and join us next time for more enlightening discussions. Catch you later. Bye.